The lifting of the fish. Welcome everyone to Adventure Wednesday. Today we are at the Holyoke Dam, which has begun its fish lifting process for the 2018 season. The dam was built on the Connecticut River where a natural 53-foot waterfall once existed. It's responsible for generating hydroelectric power and was used a couple of times to restart the Northeast electrical grid during major blackouts. Today I'm going to take you inside to the viewing platform and also the observation area where you can see all the fish swim by. Just for a reference, last year there were over 500,000 shad alone who traveled upstream with the help of this elevator. Anyways, let's get out of the car and get started. All right, everyone, back in the car where that is going to do it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, the fish lift was not operating because there's way too much water going over the dam right now. So I'm going to try to come back here in a couple of weeks to show you guys everything when it is actually operating. They only opened up yesterday, and there's just still a lot of springtime thaw coming down from up north. So like I said, we're going to come back here in a few weeks. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Peace.